My name is Alicia Anger, Vice President of News and Content Creation at Regions Bank. So today it's going to be a very exciting day. So we're out here, we have all the canoes, kayaks, and we'll pick up trash along the banks and in the water, and then we'll do what we have to do to make sure the Cahaba is clean.
So we are cleaning one of the most biodiverse rivers in the country. It's really a beautiful resource. 135 different species of fish along 195-mile river. I mean, that's a small river to have that many fish. You don't find that many other places in the world. It's just really a unique system, and it's worth protecting.
I just appreciate the opportunity Regions Bank gives us to come out, have a day off, and give back, and look forward to the opportunity to get out on the Cahaba River and clean it up and preserve it so that our children can enjoy it just like we are.
The Cahaba River is beautiful, and we just want to keep it that way for as long as we can.
I'm just really thankful to have Regions out here with us today. I'm thankful for all the media support, and I'm really thankful for all the volunteers.